Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Eureka. In the recent ongoing battle between Israel and Palestine, what has attracted the attention of whole world is the Iron Dome system of Israel. What is this system? How does it work? And everything regarding Iron Dome will be discussed here. So first of all, start with Iron Dome. Basically, Iron Dome is a surface-to-air, short-range air defense system. And over short range up to 70 km, it is capable of intercepting rockets, artillery, aircraft, helicopters, or UAVs. You can say that unmanned aerial vehicles. It is an all-weather system and can engage multiple targets simultaneously, and it can be also deployed over land as well as in sea. Next we will look at how does it works. So basically it includes three components. First one is a battle management control unit, second one is a detection and tracking radar, and third one is a firing unit of 3 vertical launchers, each having 20 interceptor missiles. Basically it is shown in the figure. Battle management control unit is also known as mobile control unit. Basically mobile control unit behaves like a brain of the system. And what are its functions? It analyzes the trajectory of enemy's rocket, and it can estimate or it can assess the impact point. What does it mean? By assessing the impact point, it can anticipate the point of impact of the threatening rocket, whether it will fall in a built up area or not, and on this basis they will decide whether to engage it or not. By anticipating the point of impact, it can prevent the unnecessary interception of rockets that will fall in open areas and does not cause any kind of damage. So these are the benefits of mobile control unit. Next function of mobile control unit is that it commands launch or interceptor missiles. And next one is a detection and tracking radar. Basically it's a multi-mission radar, and it identifies rocket or cell and it monitors the trajectory of the rocket. Next one is the launcher. You can say that a firing unit which has 3 vertical launchers and each having 20 interceptor missiles. Here you have to remember that all these 3 components will be kept on a single truck, and the Iron Dome has a naval version also that will be deployed on ships, that is called Sea Dome. Sea Dome is the naval version for the deployment on the ships. Basically this Iron Dome was manufactured by Rafale Advanced Defense Systems Limited and has been in service with Israel Air Force since 2011.